Hey friends, it's Mr. Pogi again today. It's really sunny. It's nice weather today. We're going to show you how to spruce up your car. How? We're going to be installing license plate frames. We got this from Amazon from Sparkle. It comes with a small little kit. Here we go. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is to remove your license plate. Sometimes you can use an Allen key or a Phillips screwdriver, or it uses bolts. Since I put aftermarket screws, I have to use an Allen key to remove my license plate. We're going to do this on the front and back. Now let's go to the front. With the front, we're just going to remove the screws here. On this screw here, I put a little bit of white tape because it's a little bit loose. But follow up on the next video. We're going to show you how to install license plates on a different location. So hey friends, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the license plate and we're going to put it under this lip here thingy. This and this, and we're gonna make sure that it's aligned. Take off this grass here first. Make sure it's aligned here. Make sure these holes fit together. So it should be something like that. This is gonna make your car look different and spruce it up a bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this piece here go here. We're gonna put the screw in, and then we would cover it like this. Each kit is a little bit different, but this one is how it is. So let's go. The seller provided us some screws in the kit, but I'm just going to use my aftermarket ones since it's harder to remove because you use an Allen key rather than just a regular Phillips screw. Just going to put it like this, make sure it lines up. Now we're just gonna put the tabs. There it is, as simple as that. Alright guys, we're just gonna do the same thing as we did in the back. Now we're gonna do it in the front. Make sure it fits, goes in. Now we're just going to put the tabs. And would you look at that? Simple as that. Alright friends, that's how you can spruce up your car just by adding a simple license plate frame. It makes a little bit of difference, but remember, small things make a big difference. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.